Welcome to the Applied Mechanical application on the zSpace platform, your immersive gateway into the world of mechanical systems and engineering concepts. This application transforms mechanical education into a dynamic and engaging experience, connecting theoretical knowledge with practical, real-world mechanics. Inside Applied Mechanical, you'll explore multiple interactive features designed to deepen understanding and build hands-on skills, such as component interactions, to engage with essential mechanical components in a fully manipulatable 3D environment. Voice-guided learning. Learn with confidence using audio walkthroughs that explain fundamental principles and mechanical applications. Exploded views. Taking apart and inspect assemblies piece by piece to see how mechanical systems fit and function. Mechanical systems exploring. Diving into core mechanical topics such as gears, cams, levers, pulleys, linkages, and mechanisms, and see them in motion. Real-time feedback. Test your understanding through a check for knowledge assessment and receive instant guidance. Some of the key benefits of this application are mastering core mechanical concepts through tactile visual interaction, strengthening problem-solving skills by observing how forces and motion are transferred in real time, and building foundational knowledge for careers in engineering, automation, robotics, and more. Ready to elevate your mechanical learning experience? Learn more and bring this cutting-edge tool into your classroom at zSpace.com.